platform 5B for the 2100 First Great Western service to
Marlow
via
Bourne End.
calling at
Furze Platt, Cookham, Bourne End
and
Marlow.
this train has 2 carriages.
Hi guys, ET95 here, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry, there's so many cars around today, but here we are at Furze Platt Station Level Crossing in Maidenhead. Right, and you need to park right LEDs, keep the crossing clear. Advance notice that the crossing is going to be closed for a night. Keep KCC. Warning, no pedestrians crossing while red lights flashing. Failure to comply constitutes to an offence contrary to section 12 of the railway laws. Your alarm is way up there. You are 2013. Yes. Don't run me over, cars. Rubber crossing guide. You are 2014. This Furze Platt level crossing button. KCC. Driver's light there. Pedestal. This barrier is sort of angling down. You've got 2.5 KCC. We'll try to get onto this side. Unit part there. That is Furze Platt. Okay, I'll see you next closure. Hi guys, here at Furze Platt Station Level Crossing in Maidenhead with ET95. No. Oh, jeez. Can't see it. One 126. One 126 off the Maidenhead. There it goes. Thank you guys, I'll see you next time.